All right, let's take a look at a beautiful, elegant spotlight. If you guys can see this. Now, this is adjustable, right? You can move it anywhere, pretty much any direction, but you cannot spin it too many times because it is wired. But look at this. You could set up any kind of spotlight you want. If you want it under a portrait, you can have it under a portrait, or you could have it as a reading light somewhere near your bedroom set, and it's only one. You don't need to buy more if you want to have set up. So look how beautiful and look how bright it gets, you know, and it shines really good, really light. Look at how and the light bulb is included, just to let you guys know. The light bulb comes with the actual unit itself. It's an LED light, but beautiful. It's adjustable. You could go in, you could go back out to almost to 40 to 50 degrees, if you guys can see that. So really elegant light, beautiful, brass gold. It's like it's like nickel gold, I will say, you know, color. It's like brass color. So let's take a look at it with the lights on so you guys can see a little bit more. If you guys can see it, like, this is simple to install. Just set up the actual back end of it, and then you set up the brace into it, and both ends you just tie them in, and that's about it. Now the light itself, it's really bright, small little light bulb that's coming out of it. It's replaceable too. It's an LED light. We'll put how much lumens is actually illuminating right now, but it's actually very powerful. I like the actual gold aesthetics of it. It's kind of like a brush gold, if you guys can see that. Look how much adjustable you could get, all the way down, halfway is up, all right? But look at this, pretty much any direction you want, all right? Spotlight's very powerful. I like it, so I hope you guys enjoy the video.